G'day everyone, just another video now of how to place an order on your mobile app on NextMinute. Now it's important to note that as a mobile worker, you need to have access turned on for orders, and for this demonstration of how it works, I'm actually logged in as an administrator. So for those mobile workers, if you want them to be placing orders, simply go to your permissions on your computer under the admin area, and you'll be able to find out where to turn that on. If in doubt, just get in touch with us. So on my menu here, about 5 down, maybe 6 down, you'll see orders. So if you want to place an order for some materials, maybe for one of your subbies, just tap on that, and then any existing orders will naturally show up here. If you want to place a new one, simply tap Actions, and then Add. Now these are the options you're presented with, and we're going to focus on a couple of those today, one being Quick Add and the other being Blank Order. If you do want to maybe order some materials off a quote or using an existing order, that kind of stuff, you can do that, but we won't focus on those today. So I'm going to go through Quick Add first, just tap there, and the first thing here you want to do is select who you're ordering from. So I'm going to go up to Supplier there, tap on that, and this is going to access all of my suppliers. So I'm going to scroll down here until I find the one I want, and that's Bunnings, Mount Roskill. So I'm just going to tap there. And the next stage is basically if you want to assign this order to a job or to a task or give it any sort of reference, you can fill that out as well. But I'm just going to hit next. Now the next screen is going to ask you what do you actually want to order from them, and I do want to order some materials, so you'll obviously select either materials or disbursements or other, but of course being a material supplier, it should be materials for Bunnings. Now the line item description is obviously what you are ordering, so you can either use the microphone down here to talk to your phone, or you can just type it in. So I am going to just pop in for now. This is the description of the item I am ordering. Then just simply hit done. Now if you do know what the price is, just pop it in the order total. It does require something in that box, so you don't know what the price is, just pop in a 0 there and hit set. Of course you can attach any files or photographs as well to the order, so maybe you want to take a photo of the item, maybe there's no item code, you don't know what it is, so simply hit attach files there and choose to maybe take a photo or browse your existing library on your phone. For now though, I'm just going to hit save and get to the next screen. And there is our order. So if we want to preview this before we actually send it off to whoever our supplier is, just hit the Actions button there, and you'll see Preview 3 down, and it'll give you a nice preview. Just going to cancel out of this for now though. If you do want to send any accompanying information with this order, you can just tap in the header notes there, and then it'll allow you to edit anything here. And I've got a default there. Please let me know if anything's out of stock. So that's how to order using Quick Add. Now let's head back to the menu. Of course, when you do place an order or create an order on NextMinute, it automatically saves, and you'll see that in a second. Just going back to the menu. And of course back to orders again. Now there it is. It'll say locked by me. So that'll just refresh in a moment. I might be able to refresh that now. We'll see. It just takes a moment because I've just logged into that order. But let's add a new one. So Actions again, Add, and we're going to go Blank Order. Now again, select your supplier. I'll go up there and I'm going to choose Bunnings again. And then this time around, rather than just going to the save screen, I'm going to assign this one to a job. So where it says Assign Job, just tap there. And you can create a new one at this stage or use anything existing. I'll go use existing. And I'm going to go with Sally Jones here, this new build. Then hit back. And when you obviously grab that job, it's automatically going to pop a reference down in the reference field there, as you see, job 1000. So when you get an invoice from your supplier, it should have the reference there. So just save on there. And this time around, what I'm going to do, instead of quickly adding a random material, I'm going to go add new item on here, and it'll allow me to access my price list. And naturally, because I've chosen Bunnings, as my supplier, it comes up with my Bunnings price list, which I've previously loaded up. Now, all of the pricing on here, if you want your team to be able to place orders but not see, for example, the buy pricing, you can do that if you want to. It's just all permissions related. So I'm going to order some cavity battens. And I'm going to order 3 of those. No idea why I'm ordering those, but just to show you that you can. Then hit save. If you want to add additional items to the order, just simply repeat that process. So add new item. I'll get a bath mixer, 2 of those, and save. And there we go. Simple as that. Again, if you want to add any further notes, just click in the header notes there. Or if you want to finally send this off, if you're happy with it, go to Actions down at the bottom right. Click on Send there. It'll ask you who you're sending it to, and I'll go to Mount Roskill Bunnings. Then go Next. And then this is the email that accompanies it, and you can edit this if you like. But once you hit the send button, that order's gone and should be on its way. Hopefully that was helpful, and stay tuned for more videos upcoming shortly. Cheers.